Good afternoon. Good afternoon, but we are nearing evening, actually. This is the now atmosphere prevailing. Birds singing, calm atmosphere, beautiful trees are there, playground, flowers blooming. And in this situation, I mean the pandemic situation, not only in Bangladesh but worldwide, we are taking this virtual class in a state of bringing you in the classroom. You are staying far, maybe throughout the country. Some of you are observing from outside the country. Bank management is a very technical paper, and this paper is very much concerned and comprised with so many legal matters and affairs. But the thing is this, it's very much changing. This is very much changing. Because so many regions are there for the financial purpose, or sometimes it may be for the political purpose. Bank rules and regulations are changing. So, as it's a legal paper, I'm not a lawyer. I'll just mention the points. Some points are there. The number one, that is the rules regarding reserve fund of a bank company. As per the Bank Company Act 1991, Section 24, banks have to keep a certain amount of money from the reserve to the central bank, I mean the Bangladesh Bank. So, it's 5 to 5, 10, 15, 20. Or from sometimes this vary because credit control. Then again the same point, that is the 5% is to keep it with the central bank. Then another topic is this restriction on loans and advances. As per the Bank Company Act 1991, some restrictions are imposed here as per the Section 27. Bank company should not sanction or grant loan or advance, keeping its share as mortgage. It should not provide loan or grant or sanction loan to any one of its directors or any family member of a director, or director is partner, owner or shareholder of a certain company. A bank will not provide loan or grant or sanction loan in the name of that organization. Such type of company where directly or indirectly directors of the bank or any director of the bank is related. Bank should not sanction or grant loan. No sanctioning or granting loan without maximum members voting. Bank should not provide loan such organization where there is the question, mere question raised at present or before. Or directly or indirectly, the management is related to that bank or the financial institutions. Maybe someone may be advisor and he will not be able to take loan. Then the same points are expressed are restrictions on remission of loan. This has been performed as per the Bank Company Act 27, Section 27. Bank will, without prior approval from the Bangladesh Bank, no bank can decline or approve loan or remission. Some other legal points are there. That is, fill up of the post of Chief Executive Officer. Yeah, Chief Executive Officer of a bank is the Managing Director. As per the Bank Company Act 1991, excuse me, Section 15 Co. If the position of the Managing Director is no more, then the next immediate senior one will be in charge. But that should be fulfilled within 3 months, not more than that. The term of directorship, as per the Bank Company Act 1991, Section 15, other than the regular director, another one will be from the shareholder side, will be appointed as director. Directorship term is as per the Bank Company Act 1991, Section 15. Appointment and termination depends upon it. And appointment, reappointment for the vacancy is as per the Banking Act. And another technical thing is this, that is the provisions regarding accounts, balance sheet, returns and reports. As per the Banking Company Act, Section 40, 41, 42, balance sheet, accounts, balance sheet and report. All these things are to be submitted to the registrar and Bangladesh Bank. Anytime, any moment, Bangladesh Bank, by sending a group of officers for the inspection of a certain business bank or commercial bank. And the bank or the branch is bound to follow the direction of Bangladesh Bank. Then, power of Bangladesh Bank to removal of chairman, director and chief executive of a bank company. A bank company is bound to move as per the prescribed rules, regulations and Bank Company Act, and basing upon that they have to run their banking activities. And Bangladesh Bank as the guardian, it pays safeguarding on behalf of the depositors to keep depositors' funds safe. Bangladesh Bank can terminate chairman of the bank company, director, or the chief executive, as per the section 46(1). And with the termination of that one, then and there all sorts of his rights will be stopped. Rules regarding the power of Bangladesh Bank to abolition of board of directors of a bank. The same thing as per the section 46(1). Bangladesh Bank can abolish the board of directors. Then court, by order of court, provisions regarding the dissolution of bank company by High Court Division. High Court Division, as per the Banking Company Act 65, 1991, Section 65, Section 64(1), High Court can dissolve, High Court can declare dissolution of a certain bank. Here, Bangladesh Bank will submit petition to High Court as per section 44(5). At the same time, Bangladesh Bank Order 1972, Article 36(5)(b), Bangladesh Bank can, High Court can restrict for procuring new deposit, further deposit. Provisions regarding the power of Bangladesh Bank to removal of chairman, directors and chief executive of a bank company as per 46 section. We discussed earlier, it's a repetition. And the same way the rules regarding the power of Bangladesh Bank to abolition of board of directors of a bank company is again 46(1). And there is a discussion as per the section 58, acquisition of the undertaking of banking companies by the government. Any discrepancy found? Bank company, if violating as per the section 61(1), government can form a tribunal, and basing upon the decision of the tribunal, government can go for action. And the power of the civil court, by the tribunal will hold the power of the civil court. and just declared, I just discussed provisions regarding the dissolution of bank company by High Court Division. Yes, as per the section 64(1). And so many rules, regulations, sections, subsections are there. So many bank company acts are there for regulating and controlling and guiding the banking operations and functions of the commercial banks. It's a huge matter. And just few points discussed, very merely discussed. Not necessary to go for huge discussion as per the syllabus. So, Bangladesh Bank and the court basically follows the rights of the depositors and the interest of the government, interest of the state. If there is a violation, then both court and Bangladesh Bank can take the right decision and course of action. So, if depositors are frustrated, they can go to the court and court will hold the right measures for sustaining their right. And some notices are there to save the clients, to save the customers and depositors. These are as per the Bank Company Act 1991, Section 71. Also the Company Act, Bank Company Act 325 and 71(3), then 71(4). Like this way, so many points, sections, subsections are there, because banks deals with the very important and sensitive thing. First, it deals with the customer's right, customer's deposit. Then it deals with the liquid asset of the state also, because banks have the several pipelines. These pipelines may develop within the country or from abroad. In that point, in all respect, Bangladesh Bank is the custodian and guardian, guarantor. So, Bangladesh Bank has to hold relevant and positive measures to keep all this sensitive matter for the client side, or from depositor side or from investor side. That's the thing. And there are also restrictions on loans and advances. Yeah, those who were not capable in the right time payback, or the bad loan holders, or near and dear ones of the directors. So many restrictions are imposed in this connection for further granting or disbursing loans or financial support. Anyway, so many rules and regulations are there, but actually matter is very sensitive and it deals with the liquid asset. So time to time, as guardian of the banks and financial institutions, Bangladesh Bank has to hold several techniques, rules, regulations and guidelines just to monitor, direct and guide the overall system. Anyway, even then, that is concerned to very much as how the administrative, the government looks it. If government is strongly going to control through its Bangladesh Bank, High Court Division, and all other regulatory body, a positive side may occur. Not otherwise, the matter will be very much dismantled. But over rules, regulations, so many cases found creating hindrance for the overall development in the investment sector. For some mere reasons, if sometimes banks hold some strict policy that is harmful for the entrepreneurship development of the country. Even then, all these constraints, bank has to move very skillfully and has to deal with these sensitive matters. Observing the political decision of the government for the development of trade, commerce, industry, agriculture, export business, import substitution. Accordingly, bank has to appoint very skilled, efficient, experienced officers, administrators, those who are honest also, to achieve the goals and objectives and economic policy of the government and of the state. So, this is almost evening. Very soon, Ajahn will start, and I'll have to recite the few lines. নেমে আসে সন্ধ্যা ধরণীর পুরে, তিমির ফেলেছে ছায়া, ফিরে আসে কালো মায়া, প্রান্তর কাননগিরি পল্লী বাট মাঠ, একাকার হয়ে আসে আকাশ বিরাট। Evening is starting. Birds are singing, and the staffs of these institutions are lighting in the corridor. Nice atmosphere prevailing. The huge sound is coming from the roadside. Dear students, thank you very much. Due to some allergy problem, I have been facing some sorts of problem. But today, this is a legal paper, legal documentation discussion. It's for the lawyers actually. I just mentioned the lines today, not in detail. So thank you very much. Good luck. Best of luck. Keep yourself safe and keep yourself inside the house and go through your study. God bless you.